Hello, dear tutors and partners. My oral presentation. Number 1. Introduce myself. Number 2. I am going to talk about my trip experience to Lenguasaque. Number 3. The weather in Lenguasaque. Number 4. Recommendation if you visit Lenguasaque. Number 1. Introduce myself. My name is Nestor Ferney Navarrete. I'm from Lenguasaque, Cundinamarca. I live in Bogota City with my brother. I am 27 years old. My marital status is single. I have a 5-year-old son. His name is Samuel. My hobbies are play football, play with my son, and watch movies. I like Colombian food as ajiaco and coffee. I don't like Transmilenio and the heat. I am responsible and respectful. I am studying at the UNAD the career of Business Administration second semester. I'm working on ICTex in customer service. Number 2. I'm going to talk about my trip experience to Lenguasaque. In my travel to Lenguasaque, Cundinamarca, I was there cheered with my family, very valuable time. I was with my parents, my brothers and me. If Hugh was born last August. To the trip I went with my son Samuel, my girlfriend Natalie, and my brother Christian. We went to the pool where we had fun. Number 3. The weather in Lenguasaque. The weather in Lenguasaque, Cundinamarca doesn't vary much from the city of Bogota. It is also cold, but the day we went it was very sunny. It made a wonderful day. Although generally at night it's very freezing. I like it a lot because I was doing a good weather and it was not rain like other days. Recommendation if you visit Lenguasaque. If you travel to Lenguasaque, you should eat the different dairy products such as yogurt or the famous cheese that are very typical of the region. Number 2. It is recommended to use sunscreen to prevent the sun from burning heat. Number 3. It is also likely to rain, so you must bring an umbrella. Number 4. If you go to Lenguasaque, remember to visit the church. It is very beautiful. What should do? You must visit the chapel of the Child Jesus. It is located in the mountain where you can hike and cheer with your family. What should do? Should wear clothes for the beach because the weather can vary and be very cold. It may even rain. Thank you very much. Goodbye.